You've asked God for forgiveness 100 times, so why do you still feel guilty? The truth is, many believers think they've repented when all they've done is whisper a shallow prayer and hope the weight lifts. But true repentance isn't just saying sorry, it's a revolution of the heart, a violent turning away from sin so fierce it leaves no room for compromise. 1 John 1-9 promises God will forgive us if we confess. But there's a hidden condition most miss. True confession demands brokenness, a raw honesty that doesn't just admit sin but hates it, the way Joseph fled from Potiphar's wife. Not just resisting temptation, but sprinting from it. You'll know you've truly repented when the thought of your old sin sickens you. When David cries out in Psalm 51, "Create in me a clean heart," he's not asking for a surface level fix, but a total transformation. And that's the first shocking sign you're on the right path. Your grief over sin outweighs the pleasure it once gave you. But here's where many get stuck. They mistake remorse for repentance. Judas felt terrible, but he hung himself. Peter wept bitterly, then rose to preach at Pentecost. The difference? Peter ran toward grace, while Judas wallowed in shame. And that's the second key. True repentance runs to Jesus, not from him. You can't white-knuckle your way to purity. Zechariah 4-6 warns it's not by might nor by power, but by my spirit, which means surrender isn't weakness, it's your only weapon. Stop bargaining with God. I'll never do it again, just one more time. And start hating the sin that cost Christ his life, because every time you indulge, you're trampling the very blood that bought your freedom. Hebrews 10:26 issues, a chilling warning for those who play games with repentance. But here's the hope. God's mercy is greater than your worst failure, but only if you turn not halfway, not with excuses, but with a burning desire to never return to the mire. And this is the final test. Fruit. Matthew 3-8 demands fruit in keeping with repentance, meaning if you've truly turned from lust, you'll destroy the triggers, the apps, the late night scrolls, the toxic relationships. If you've really repented of greed, your wallet will prove it. Repentance isn't a prayer. It's a lifestyle, a hunger for holiness that replaces the craving for sin. So ask yourself, are you making war on your sin or just apologizing for it? Because grace isn't a license to fail, it's power to overcome. The cross doesn't just forgive your past, it breaks its chains. Now, act like it.
If this video has blessed you, let me know by hitting the like button, sharing it with someone who needs to hear this, and dropping your comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for such videos that strengthen your walk with God.